So back on Scott and Sandy's Avanti, the driver's side valve cover has been leaking. We've had a lovely oil leak, so we're going to do the valve cover gaskets on both sides. Get started on that today. And the carb has been misbehaving shortly after we rebuilt it. She likes to stall when going around a corner. We've changed the floats a few times. Fun. The usual Avanti chaos. So here we go. That's always fun to see when you pull an air cleaner. Fuel everywhere. Joy. So on the passenger side, first order of business is removing the bright work that covers the spark plug wires and exhaust manifold and all that. And their exhaust manifold looks pretty good. Is that a crack? I don't know if that's a crack. Hold on. That's kind of questionable. Hold on. So we've taken the distributor cover off, plug wire cover on this side off all the way. Fun. Now we have to go in here, undo these two, pull this out. Such a blast. Because as you know, an Avanti, though beautiful, is of course excruciatingly painful to work on most of the time. Just time consuming, nothing bad. So this is the spark plug and exhaust manifold cover for the driver's side. You can definitely see our oil residue there. Fun. It's actually leaking out of the seal up top on the valve cover on the stud where the nut goes. But we're gonna reseal everything because our luck is we just change that and it'll leak somewhere else. Right, for reference, because of course nobody does anything correct most of the time on these cars. Cylinder number 3 is the third one back on here. Let's try to get the plug wires off. Cylinder number 3 is the third one back. Cylinder number 5. Sorry, bad video, but one person. Cylinder number 5 is the second one back. Cylinder number 1 is the first one. So cylinder number 7 is the fourth one. So when we put this back together, maybe let's put them back in order.